Mines don't operate forever, which is why Eldorado Gold and its subsidiary, Hellas Gold, think about the environmental legacy of its projects long before mining operations begin. Regardless of how long a mine may be in operation, the process of restoration and reclamation is planned in advance and is an ongoing, everyday process across our operations.
We understand that the legacy of our company and our operations will follow us over many generations. And so our focus to ensure is our children and grandchildren are going to have the quality of life that we have. And the only way that's going to happen is for us to ensure that we responsibly mine and protect the environment.
At our Cassandra mines in northern Greece, we are restoring and reclaiming previous mining areas as a matter of priority. We also conduct ongoing reclamation work as we operate to mitigate environmental disturbance. At our Olympias mine, we are revegetating 4 environmentally disturbed areas that we inherited from the previous operators. Currently, these areas include a 32-acre arsenopyrite stockpile, a 28-acre waste rock dump, a 300-acre historic tailings pond where we have cleaned up to 3 million tons of tailings so far. To help facilitate the reclamation process, Hellas Gold established Greek nurseries near our Olympias mine. The nursery is home to some 1 million plants spanning more than 300 different species and covering 15 hectares of land. This makes it one of the largest nurseries in Greece and one that creates more than 15 jobs. The plants at the nursery are watered with treated water from the Olympias mine. Our Skouries gold and copper project in Greece is a world-class asset that has been designed from the ground up to meet our sustainable mining goals by adopting best available technologies. Skouries will use a sustainable and innovative process called dry stack tailing management. Typically, wet tailings cannot be reclaimed until the end of mine life. Due to its dry nature, dry stacking allows for progressive reclamation over the life of the mine. These reclamation efforts are part of our land use plan, which details a complete closure and post-closure strategy that prepares the land for use for the next generation. All of Eldorado Gold's operations and projects have reclamation at the forefront of planning, and we constantly look to create new and innovative ways to protect the environment and create safe and sustainable conditions for our employees and surrounding communities, today and for the future.